Does your small kitchen feel like a never-ending puzzle? Finding space for everything can be a real challenge, but don't worry, you're not alone. Today, we're diving into 15 clever Amazon gadgets that will completely transform your small kitchen. These tools are designed to save space, keep you organized, and make cooking so much easier. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll want to add at least one of these to your cart. Let's get started. First up is the Fullstar Vegetable Chopper, a 4-in-1 kitchen powerhouse. If you love home-cooked meals but hate the prep work, this gadget is a game-changer. It chops, slices, and spiralizes vegetables with ease. The built-in container catches everything, so there's no mess on your countertop. Imagine making perfectly diced onions without shedding a single tear. It's compact, easy to clean, and ideal for small kitchens where counter space is precious. Zulay Rotary Cheese Grater. This manual cheese grater is a must-have for cheese lovers. It comes with 5 interchangeable drums, perfect for shredding cheese, slicing veggies, or grating nuts. Its suction base keeps it steady while you work, and its compact size makes storage a breeze. Mixing bowls with airtight lids. These stainless steel mixing bowls are a game-changer for small kitchens. The set includes bowls of various sizes, each with airtight lids and grater attachments. Perfect for mixing, serving, and storing, they help eliminate the need for extra containers. Their non-slip bottoms ensure stability during use, and their stackable design saves cabinet space. From prepping dough to storing leftovers, these bowls are an essential multitasking tool for any home cook. Zulay Milk Frother Wand. Love coffee shop-style drinks? The Zulay Milk Frother is your new best friend. This handheld device whips up creamy foam for lattes, cappuccinos, and even matcha in seconds. It's small enough to store in a drawer and battery-powered, so it's always ready to go. Say goodbye to boring coffee. ROOHUA Pot Rack. If you're tired of digging through a pile of pots and pans, the ROOHUA Pot Rack is here to help. This expandable organizer has 10 adjustable compartments to keep your cookware neatly stacked. It fits perfectly in your cabinets or even on your countertop if you need quick access. Organization has never looked this good. Cutting boards with juice groove. This set of 3 cutting boards is perfect for any kitchen. Each board is lightweight, features non-slip grips, and has a built-in juice groove to catch spills. Whether you're cutting meat, chopping veggies, or slicing fruit, these boards keep your prep area clean and your workflow smooth. Cutting boards with juice groove. This set of 3 cutting boards is perfect for small kitchens. Each board features a juice groove to catch liquids and prevent messes, making it ideal for chopping fruits, veggies, and meats. The non-slip rubber edges provide stability during use, while the easy grip handles make them simple to move around. Dishwasher safe and lightweight, these cutting boards are practical, durable, and space-saving, a smart addition to any compact kitchen setup. StepRite Kitchen Mats. Cooking for hours can take a toll on your feet and back, but the StepRite kitchen mats are here to save the day. These anti-fatigue mats are cushioned for comfort, waterproof, and non-slip, making them perfect for your kitchen floor. Plus, their sleek black design blends seamlessly with any decor. AUOON Clip-On Strainer. Big colanders take up way too much space. That's why the AUOON Clip-On Strainer is such a clever solution. This silicone strainer clips onto any pot or pan, letting you easily drain pasta, rinse vegetables, or strain meat. It's compact, flexible, and fits snugly into a drawer when you're done. Golener Coffee Mat. Coffee lovers, this one's for you. The Golener Coffee Mat is a large, thick protector for your countertop. Place it under your coffee machine to catch spills and keep your coffee bar looking neat. It's heat-resistant and waterproof, so it's practical and stylish.
This is the extra absorbent mat that goes under your ice machines. Our ice machine has leaked a little bit here and there. I think it's more so when it's been on.
Magnetic Spice Rack. Running out of counter or cabinet space. The magnetic spice rack attaches to your fridge and offers multiple shelves for spices, condiments, or even paper towels. It's easy to install, movable, and keeps your kitchen essentials within arm's reach. KitchenAid Multi-Sided Meat Tenderizer. Perfectly tender meat doesn't have to be a hassle. This lightweight, multi-sided meat tenderizer is great for pounding steaks, flattening chicken, or even cracking nuts. It's durable, easy to clean, and comes with a handy hole for hanging storage.
Okay, this is the meat tenderizer from KitchenAid, and it is amazing. So it has two sides. It has a flat side, and then it has this
Large dish drying rack. This two-tier dish drying rack is a lifesaver for small kitchens. It holds plates, cups, and utensils while taking up minimal counter space. The detachable drain board ensures no water mess, and the sleek design adds a modern touch to your kitchen. CAROTE Non-Stick Pots and Pans Set. Next up, the CAROTE Non-Stick Cookware Set. This 11-piece set is perfect for small kitchens because the handles are detachable, making the pots and pans stackable. No more struggling to fit bulky cookware into your cabinets. Plus, the non-stick coating ensures easy cooking and even easier cleaning. Bonus, it's oven and fridge safe, so it's as versatile as it gets.
Not get the pan to come off. This thing is so strong and sturdy. It also seems like it's gonna last. And I tried this on the pots and the pans, and it was sturdy on both.
Now let me just show you how this works. You just press this button and then you can clamp the pan, and then also that lid just fits on perfect.
Ninja Blender Compact Kitchen System. Every small kitchen needs a powerful blender, and the Ninja Compact Kitchen System is just that. It's a 3-in-1 system for smoothies, dough, and frozen drinks. It comes with multiple attachments, like a large 72-ounce pitcher and a single-serve cup, so you get versatility without sacrificing space. Plus, its Auto IQ technology makes blending a breeze. Finally, we have the Purawood Bamboo Organizer. This expandable utensil tray fits perfectly in most drawers, keeping your flatware neatly arranged. Its natural bamboo finish is not only durable, but also adds a touch of elegance to your kitchen. Which gadget caught your eye? Let me know in the comments below. You'll find links to all these products in the description to explore further. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more space-saving tips and product ideas. With these 15 gadgets, you can turn even the tiniest kitchen into a well-organized, efficient space. Whether you're looking to save time, clear clutter, or simply make cooking more enjoyable, there's something here for everyone. So what are you waiting for? Start upgrading your kitchen today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.